Hi friends, this video shows how to force stop an app. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top. Go to applications. Select applications. Select downloaded apps. Here you can see list of installed apps. From this list, let me select one app. I am going to select Hotstar. Then go down. For Hotstar, you can see force stop does not exist. Let me go back. Let me select another app. Let me select Discovery. For this also force stop does not exist. Go back. Let me select Jio Cinema. No, let me open it. So I am going to open Jio Cinema app. Maybe this app is not running. That is the reason we are not seeing that force stop option. Then go back. Then again select Jio Cinema. See, now we can see that force stop option. So first we have to open the app. Then only we would be able to see this force stop option. So now I can trigger force stop. Then select force stop from here. Done. So this way we can force stop an app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.